If you stayed after part 1, thank you for listening. Continuing the conversation, not the controversy. Well, पार्ट 1 अगर नहीं देखा है तो जाकर देख लेना, पहले ये देख लो पार्ट 2 ऑफ पॉपुलर बुक्स दैट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी इन 2025. सो एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर इन द फर्स्ट पार्ट दैट वी हैव 8 बुक्स ऑल टुगेदर. 4 के बारे में मैंने ऑलरेडी बात कर लिया है, तो आगे बढ़ते हैं पांचवे पे. द फिफ्थ बुक इज एन इंटरनेशनल बुकर विनर ऑफ 2022. यू मस्ट हैव ऑलरेडी गेस्ड इट बाय नाउ. आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द क्राफ्ट, बट फर्स्ट 100 पेजेस के बाद मैं सोचने लग गई कि
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
after the first 100 pages, I could not force myself to read the book any longer. The book that I'm talking about here is Tomb of Sand by Gitanjali Shri. Oh my god, sixth book के बारे में ना मुझे डर लग रहा है बात करते हुए भी. It has divided the internet into two parts. Either you love the book or you hate the book. I don't know if I'm somewhere in between, but I definitely do not love the book. It just did not work for me because of excessive nudity, excessive intimacy, and when I felt कि यहाँ पे important conversations होनी चाहिए थी, वहाँ both the protagonists in the book are kind of trying to make out. I mean, I get it. I get it. I get everything. The internet kind of raged at me when I first posted my thoughts around the book. I understand and I take all your opinions for this book, but for me, it just did not work out. And the book here is Normal People by Sally Rooney. Although I very blatantly jumped into the bandwagon, but again, it just did not work for me. The seventh one is again a very popular book. I'm sure अगर आप Asian literature बहुत पढ़ते हो, आपने कभी ना कभी इस book के बारे में सुना ही होगा. I don't know what I was expecting while I actually picked the book up. The pace was okay. Everything in the book was creepy. It was like, कुछ तो होगा. That thrill was there. When I picked the book for the first time, I knew that this book is going to grab all my attention all of the time. Unfortunately, when I reached the last page, it was like, why did I even read this book in the first place? The only good thing about the book is the pace. So if you're looking for a book that has the potential to kind of pull you out of a reading slump, go ahead with The Woman in the Purple Skirt. Otherwise, it's easily skippable. You can pass the book on. I mean, there's no point. The eighth one and the last one is a book that I DNF'd on my own choice, not because the book was bad in any way. If you're somebody who enjoyed reading The Days of Abandonment by Elena Ferrante, I think this one book is for you. And the book that I'm talking about here is Liars by Sarah Manguso. My wedding was just a few days away, and I did not want all of the thoughts in the books to kind of take a toll on my head. I mean, in my head, I just didn't want to regret on my decisions about getting married and stuff. So I DNF the book. I think books have the potential to kind of influence you in ways that you will never imagine. So yeah, that being said, we have come to the end of this series. Let me know which book did not work for you again. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.